There's supposed to be a trail to the left of us, Boy Scout Canyon Hot Spring, and it shows that a trail goes down there, I think. Be on the left, your other left. You know, if I remember it, remember I told you I jumped over a tree? We're gonna go on Google Earth and look up that park. And it's still there, but you just can't jump over the trees anymore. Put it in like 3-dimension, you know? That looks like an entrance at the top of that, way up there. Look at that, way up there. Could be even a shadow, but